Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw funds from Binance to EasyPaisa. First, navigate to the peer-to-peer trading section on Binance. You will then select the sell option for your cryptocurrency. Next, choose EasyPaisa as your desired payment method. Finally, confirm all transaction details to ensure a smooth and secure transfer of your funds. This process typically takes only a few minutes to complete. To begin, open the Binance application and locate the P2P trading section. From there, select the sell option for the cryptocurrency you wish to convert, such as USD. Next, apply a filter to display only buyers who accept EasyPaisa as a payment method. Carefully input the precise amount of cryptocurrency you intend to sell. Double-check these details before proceeding to the next step. Once your order is placed, a buyer will be matched with you. Patiently wait for them to transfer the agreed-upon funds directly into your EasyPaisa account. It is absolutely crucial to verify that you have received the full payment in your EasyPaisa application before taking any further action. Only after confirming receipt should you then release your cryptocurrency to the buyer on Binance. For a seamless experience, always double-check your EasyPaisa account for payment confirmation before releasing any crypto. Maintain clear and polite communication with your trading partner throughout the process. Be mindful of any daily or per transaction limits that Binance may impose, and understand any associated fees. If you encounter any issues or suspicious behavior, do not hesitate to contact Binance support for assistance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.